this video, this is the final piece of my backlog, and I will do the unboxing review of this. And after this, maybe I can proceed to the review of all the kits that I've built and created. And I'm very happy to present to you this rare model kit here from Kotobukiya, which came from the video game released by Sega in the year 1996, and there's a sequel of this on 1999, which is the Cyber Trooper Virtual On video game. So I have here the Kotobukiya 1/100 scale Specineff. So I'm very lucky to find this in Shopee PH, which is it's a very rare item, it says, and you can see in the box there's this dirt. There's already discoloration from the box, but still the owner of this kit preserved the box well and the items inside. And to be honest, it's very hard to find this nowadays in Amazon, and if you can find one, it's very overpriced. And aside from this, I'm still waiting for the Raiden, which I bought from Kosho Setera in Japan. So he has a shop on Shopee PH also, so I'm very happy to wait for that. But for the meantime, this is the last backlog of my arsenals here. So let's check this kit out. Virtual On Cyber Trooper Specineff by Kotobukiya. Yeah. So this is the box of the Kotobukiya Specineff. So this is the RVR 87, it's Specineff DNA side. As I researched, there are two variants of this in the game, the DNA and the RNA. And what I understand is, I think DNA is the good side and the RNA is the bad side. If I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comment section for those who played that in the Sega consoles. And this kit is also modeled or designed by Katoki Hajime, so I can say that this is a Kotobukiya Verka model, something like that. So that's my opinion. It's a Katoki Hajime design. And there we can see the scale 1/100, and it was released 1999 by Sega. And there you can see the nicely colored combination of this kit with the green, dark bluish green, and this baby blue lights there with some white and silver colors there. It's just very nice. The color combination is pleasant to the eyes, and I really like it. The kit looks Grim Reaper because it looks like a skeleton. You can see the face here. It looks like a skull, and he wields sight here, a big sight. And if we can see, we look at the side of the box, we can see the front view of the kit. So there, this kit will stand about 160 millimeters or 16 centimeters. And there, this is the front view, the rear view. The wings of this kit resembles a broken shuriken. It looks like shuriken, to be honest. And there you can see the face. It looks like a skull, the Grim Reaper face. And there we can see it's like the console, the VR on the back of the kit. And this is the finished build, straight build with some decals there attached. And there we can see some clips from the game And there's the silhouette of the kit from the game. And as you can notice, the box is really old. There's some discoloration in the back of the box. So as per the owner, this is already a rare kit, and he almost preserved this until he decided to sell it from his shop because he don't like to build it, as he said. So if we open the box, we can see the Specineff manual. It says here number 3. So he's the third model from the or the third robot, I think, from the game, because the number 1 is the Temujin, and the number 2 is Raiden, and he's the third one, Specineff. I'm not familiar with the others because I don't had a chance to play that Sega game. Anyway, if we open the manual, we can see the silhouette of the kit. It's the front view, the back view, and the facial features here, and the weapon, the sight. So he has a big sight here, so I can pair this with my that sight model kit. And there, how to use the water slide decals and some parts. So parts guide, like something like that, or assembly guide. There we can see the runner list. It's not that much. I think I can finish this for about 2 to 3 hours straight build. Depends on my mood. And there you can see how to build it. It's all black and white printout. And there, it's not that complicated. I think I can finish this, as I said, about 2 hours or 3 hours. So these are the color guidelines if you want to paint your kit or apply some decals. These are the guidelines. And there, the rear view of the kit. Okay, so we go to the parts. So we got a green, very nice green runner here. I like the green color, the shade of this color. And we got some clear bluish green runner here for the clear effect parts or clear parts. We got gray runners for the airframes. We got some dark blue runners here. We got some white runners with gray runners included there. Then we got some water slide decals. It says here DNA VR Corpse, and this one Specineff, something like that. So we got here a bluish green runner or plastics, and there we got gray parts here. We got some small white runners, gray runners. We got dark blue runners, other gray runners here, and polycaps. We got polycaps here. Okay, and the shop where I bought this gave me some freebie of this sanding material. It's like a file, foam file, and we got stickers here, which is very nice. I can put it in my laptop or in my car. So we have here Gundam stickers, Zaku, and there we got the heavy arms, which is very nice. I like the heavy arms. And we got here the goof and the face of the crossbone Gundam, which is very good. I can put this in my laptop if I'll buy the new one. Yep. So let's open the parts. So as always, before we build the kit, let's have a quick runner review, and let's start with the smaller ones, because most of the runners of this kit are small. So we have here runner L, and this comprise of the feet part or the foot part, and we got two of these. So these are for the feet, and as I observed, this kit was released 2009, so year 2009, because I'm looking for the date of the release of this kit, and I noticed that it's also included here, and there you can see here it's June 2009, so it's the year it was released. And also we have white runners here for the armor pieces. So this is runner F and another runner F, so we have two sets of runner F here. Then we got runner H for, I think this one for the weapon and some armor pieces. And we got runner C, two sets of runner C for the black parts. Then let's go here, smaller one. This is runner J for the greenish gray. It's like a gray with green colored runner here. So this is runner J. We got here bluish green color runner D. We got two sets of runner I for the claws of the kit. Then we got two sets of polycaps. So these are for the joint parts. Then we got this nicely colored green runner for runner G. So G stands for green. And we got this clear green colored runners. This is runner M. Sorry, it's runner N. And let's go to the big runners. We got we have a last small runner here for runner M, and we got here for the big runner K. So these are for the gray colored plastics. We got white colored plastic here for runner E, and we got here a big chunky parts for runner A, and finally this runner B for gray colored plastic, dark gray colored plastic. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing of the Specineff DNA side from Kotobukiya, which came from the video game by Sega, Cyber Troopers Virtual on Oratorio Tangram. And before I forget, we got these order slide decals here. So this is a simple order slide decals. It only have 3 decals here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, goodbye, God bless, and take care.